Rainfall intensity is computed as the rainfall interval over the time interval, while hyetograph requires the accumulated time over the intensity. You are in hydrology. A hyetograph is a plot of rainfall intensity versus time drawn in a bar chart. The hyetograph is significant in developing design storms in order to predict extreme floods. Time in hours is placed in the abscissa, and rainfall intensity in millimeter per hour is at the ordinate. Bars are plotted at different time intervals. A 9-day storm is recorded with the following data, and we are to draw the hyetograph and determine the total amount of rainfall received. Before doing any computations, analyze the given. Time is increasing, which means this is the accumulated time. The gauge rainfall is also increasing, so it is also the accumulated depths. Having known these facts would help us identify the columns required for the extension of the table. Columns for depth intervals and time intervals should be added before the rainfall intensity. Delta D starts with 0. Then take the difference of the two succeeding times, which are 1 and 0 to give 1. 2 and 1 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 less 5 is 3. And 9 minus 8 is 1. The depth intervals would be computed similarly, and it also starts with 0. This is followed by 1.5 minus 0, which is 1.5. 3.25 less 1.5 is 1.75. 6.25 minus 3.25 is 3. 8 less 6.25 is 1.75. 10.25 less 8 is 2.25. Then 13.75 minus 10.25 is 3.5. Before we proceed further, we can compute for the total amount of rainfall by taking the summation of delta D, which is 13.75 mm. After completing delta D and delta T, solve for the rainfall intensity by taking the deltas ratios. The first is 0, followed by 1.5 divided by 1, making 1.5. Then 1.75 over 1 is still 1.75. 3 over 2 is 1.5. And also 1.75 divided by 1 is still 1.75. Followed by 2.25 over 3, giving 0.75. Then lastly, 3.5 over 1 is 3.5. To draw the hyetograph, the required data are accumulated time and the rainfall intensity. Then create a bar chart using the coordinates. From T of 0 to 1, the height is 1.5. From T1 to T2, the intensity is 1.75. From T2 all the way to T4, the height is 1.5. From T4 to T5, the intensity is 1.75. Then the next 3 hours have an intensity of 0.75 mm. Then from T8 to T9, the intensity is 3.5 millimeters.